Dear students, in the last 7 classes we have seen basics for class 11 mathematics, and from this class onwards we are going to start sets. This is the first chapter in NCERT class 11. We are going to discuss about sets. We are going to do the exercises in the sets also. Okay. Now let us see what our basic class I have made: number system, algebra, surds, indices, logarithms, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, graphs. These are the basic classes I have made and uploaded on YouTube. Okay, you have to go through. I have not yet made a playlist, but I have uploaded all these videos. Mensuration is only 50 minutes video is there. Remaining all are less than 30 minutes videos only. But before watching sets videos, class videos, NCERT class 11, class 12, please watch these videos, basic videos. Why? Because first of all you have to watch these 6 videos, then only you can understand those classes. Okay, I have graded like this from numbers, algebra, surds, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, graphs. Okay, now let us go for sets also. Okay, thank you. Okay, let us start sets. First of all, what are sets? What is a set? Set we have to understand. What is the clear definition given by NCERT book? First, let us know. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. See, set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined. Those items, those objects should be well-defined. Say, stationery, say electronics components, say rivers, say clocks, like that. Why? Because see, rivers are anyway not related to electronic components. The electronic components is separate collection, rivers are separate collection, like that, whatever it may be. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. That means those should be well-defined. So you are making a set. Set is collection. Collection means not one. Collection means automatically 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe there. If you compare these with some other items, automatically they should be identified such that yes, this is a group, this is a separate group, these are rivers, these are electronic components, these are mobile brands, these are computer brands, like that, separate. Those are cricket players, these are students from class, like that, separate analysis we can observe by seeing those set. Those are called sets. Okay? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Those may be objects, those may be members, those may be things, those may be items, whatever it may be, but separate collection of well-defined items. Okay? That also we will see some more in depth. Okay, here I am writing Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. These are a collection of rivers. say Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, these are collection of oceans. They are buoys. They are girls. Okay, see, in any way we have not mixed. See, Leela not mixed with Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean not mixed with Madhu. Okay, Saraswati not mixed with Rahim. Those names separate we have made a collection. See, these are also collection of rivers. We can say rivers here. Rivers, oceans are not mixed with rivers. Boys, girls. Okay, that means here set is well defined. See, these are all set. We have not made a representation how we have to make and all. Just you see what is set. Here we have not mixed with one element of the set to another element. Okay. Now we are understanding what are the sets. Now we see what set contains. Okay. You see here, river is a set. Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati are elements. Okay. Now the word element has come. Element set. Set contains elements. You make it as plural. Set contain elements. Sets will be there, but separate sets will be there. But each set contains elements. Each class contains boys. Each school contains several classes. Okay. Indian education system contains several schools. Like that you have to understand. Set contains elements. Set should be represented by a capital letter normally. Say this is a capital letter A. Elements are normally represented by small letters. Say elements are A, B, C, D. Like that. Okay? Now, set will be represented by brace. This is parenthesis. This is bracket. This is brace. Among the three, sets are going to be represented with this brace. Okay? Parenthesis, bracket, brace. We are going to represent sets with brace. How we are representing? You see here, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay? With the braces, brace we are going to represent the sets. Okay. Representation of sets will be in two forms. There are two forms of representation of sets. We see what are those two forms. Number one is roster form. Number two is set builder form. Okay. Set builder form. Before going this, let us see belongs to, not belongs to, what is that? You see, set A contains 1, 2, 3 elements. That means 1 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 4 not belongs to A. This symbol is Greek alphabet E epsilon, epsilon, epsilon not. But you have to spell as belongs to. Belongs to, not belongs to. Not belongs to. Belongs to, not belongs to. See here, 1, 2, 3 all belongs to A, set A. But 4 is not belongs to set A. That is why 4 not belongs to A. 3 belongs to A, 1 belongs to A. Like that we have to write. This is the notation. That means left side are elements, right side is set. One set contains maybe several elements or even single element or even no element also, null set. We go further. We should not write that A belongs to 1. Why? Because see, 1 belongs to A. A boy belongs to some class belongs to some school, or even some boys belongs to school. Not class belongs to boy. Okay, here class is big, school is bigger. Like that, set is bigger, elements are smaller. Elements belongs to set. Okay, that is the theory behind that one. Now we see two forms of representation of sets. Representation means how to show, how to write in books or examination papers or whatever it may be. Okay, like natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. But you see, the elements should be separated by commas. That is also important. You should write roster form of set like this. Sorry. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Up to infinity go. But every time it goes infinity, no. Sometimes you see like this, N is equal to 1, 2, 3. Up to here also it may come. That depends on the situation, how set we are making. See here we have made a set of natural numbers, complete natural numbers. Here we have made a set of natural numbers from 1 to 3 or natural numbers up to 3. Because natural numbers start from 1, natural numbers up to 3. This is the set. Every time shall we show with N only? No, not required. If examiner asks in questions, then we write with N. If examiner doesn't ask in question specifically N, then you can keep here N or A or B or C, whatever it may be. Okay. If examiner is given 2, 3 questions, part 1, part 2, part 3, A, B, C they have given, then you have to apply C for this notation set. Okay, but these are not going to what we can say differ. Natural numbers means natural numbers only. Here you don't have any choice. If examiner asks you to write natural numbers up to 5, then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is the logic behind this representation of sets in roster form. Okay, now we see set builder form. What is set builder form? See, set builder form, normally we show a set, we represent a set not directly as in roster form, but rather we represent in like a statement. Like a statement. We observe this first. What is set builder form? How we have written? How we have represented the set in a set builder form. Here n is equal to brace we have opened x colon. This is called colon. Okay. X is a natural number where where x is less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 3. Okay, this is called set builder form. But how we have to read this? Yes, we have to read this for all the values of x. This should be read as for all the values of x. X colon means for all the values of x. Like this you have to read. See, you have to read. In examination you write like this only. Nobody asks you to spell it out. Okay, but for sake of saying, speaking, expressing, you have to express like this. For all the values of x. N is equal to for all the values of x. Stop. X is a natural number where x is greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 3. What is the equivalent of this set in roster form? Roster form is like this. N is equal to 1, 2, 3. You see here, n is a natural number. But x is a natural number. X is equal to or greater than 1, less than or equal to 3. All. Okay, like this you have to represent this set builder form. In set builder form, the group what we have made all having a separate property possesses a separate identical property. Outside of that set doesn't have that property. That means you are writing say mobile phone brands means all should be mobile phone brands only inside the set. Outside the set that doesn't have that brand. How you are going to tell this? When you have some 3-4 sets, then only you can know. That we will see in examples. Okay. Now we take one letter, we write a set. Write letters of the word communication in set. The right letters of the word communication in set. See, this is the word they are asking us to write in set form. We take roster form only. First see, this you cannot write in set builder form. Okay. Say the word communication means I say W word is equal to braces C O M U N I A T. Okay. All elements you have to write, you have to put separate with commas. What I have done, you see here. C has come 2 times, but I have taken only 1 time. O has come 2 times, but I have taken only 1 time. M also 2 times, but only 1 time I have taken. N is also 2 times, but I have taken only 1 time. I is also 2 times, but I have taken only 1 time. Okay. In this way you have to write. That means while writing the sets, those elements you need not repeat or you should not repeat. 2 times you should not write. C 2 times are there, 2 times C you should not write. Only 1 time you have to write. Already once you have written means you should not write again. That is one criteria or condition or property. Next, order is not important. Same set I also can write like this. T first you can write, U next you can write, M you can write, C you can write, O you can write, I, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, O, M, U, N. N. This is also correct. That means writing the set in order is not important. You can write first, second, second, first, third, second, third, first, fourth one. Like that you have to write. You can write. Order is not an important, and later elements should not be repeated. Elements order is not important. Elements should not be repeated. Only once you have taken those elements. These are the normal conditions of this representation of sets. Okay. We will go for exercise 1.1. After completion of exercise, automatically you are going to understand the sets. What more elaborated explanations by seeing examples, exercise examples only, you are going to understand. See, my plan is I will explain the chapter. I will do exercises in the NCERT class 11 book. Your duty is you have to do worked examples will be there. Worked examples you have to finish. Worked examples, anyway solutions are available in your book only. All complete solutions with explanations, they will be available. That will be easy for you. But what you have to do, you first watch my video. I will do exercise here. After completion of one exercise, then you see, you do the examples of belongs to that exercise. That means first examples will come, then exercise will come. I am going to do exercise, you do examples, so that you can easily understand the concept and you will be very good in the subject. This is our strategy we are going to implement. Okay.